Code coverage is a fundamental concept in software testing that helps you understand how well your tests are actually examining your code. In this video, we'll explore what code coverage means, why it matters for your PowerShell projects, and how you can start measuring it using Pester. By the end, you'll know how to identify untested code and improve your testing strategy. Code coverage is a metric that measures the percentage of your code that is executed when your tests run. Think of it this way. When you run your test suite, code coverage tracks which lines, functions, and branches of your code are actually being exercised by those tests. If you have 100 lines of code and your tests execute 85 of them, you have 85% code coverage. This metric gives you a clear picture of which parts of your code are tested and which parts are not. Code coverage is valuable for several important reasons. First, it identifies untested code paths, showing you exactly where your testing has gaps. Second, it increases confidence in your code quality because you know more of your code has been verified. Third, it helps find hidden bugs that might be lurking in code paths you haven't tested yet. And fourth, it allows you to track testing progress over time, so you can see if your test coverage is improving or declining as your project evolves. There are three main types of code coverage you should understand. Line coverage measures which individual lines of code were executed during your tests. Branch coverage measures which decision branches were taken, such as the true and false paths of if statements. And function coverage measures which functions were actually called. Each type provides different insights into your testing completeness. Pester primarily focuses on line coverage, which is often the most practical metric for PowerShell development. Pester makes it easy to measure code coverage with built-in parameters. You use the invoke-pester command with the code coverage parameter to specify which files you want to analyze. In this example, we're testing all PowerShell script files in the functions directory. The code coverage output file parameter lets you export the results to an extensible markup language file, which can be used by continuous integration tools or coverage visualization platforms. This simple command gives you comprehensive coverage data. When Pester generates a code coverage report, it shows you several key metrics. You'll see the overall coverage percentage, which in this example is 85.3%. The report breaks this down into covered and missed percentages. It also shows the total number of lines in your code, how many lines were covered by tests, and how many lines were missed. These numbers help you understand not just the percentage, but the actual scale of your testing efforts and where you need to focus next. When setting coverage goals, aim for 80 to 90% coverage as a healthy target for most projects. However, remember that quality matters more than quantity. 100% coverage doesn't automatically mean your code is bug-free or that your tests are effective. Focus on critical paths in your code, prioritizing business logic and edge cases rather than just chasing a high percentage. Finally, make regular monitoring part of your workflow by tracking coverage trends in your continuous integration and continuous deployment pipeline. Let's recap the key points about code coverage. First, code coverage measures testing completeness, giving you visibility into how much of your code is verified by tests. Second, use Pester's built-in coverage tools to easily measure and track your coverage. Third, target 80 to 90% coverage for most projects as a practical goal. And finally, always focus on quality tests rather than just achieving high percentages. Code coverage is a tool to guide your testing strategy, not an end goal in itself. Start measuring your coverage today and use it to write better, more reliable PowerShell code.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.